In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Godaddy payment method. To get started, go to the Godaddy website and sign into your account. Make sure you are using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one website, product, or billing profile. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of the page. You will usually see your name or profile icon there. Click it to open the account menu. From that menu, select Account Settings. This is where Godaddy keeps your personal account details, billing preferences, and saved payment options in one place. After you enter Account Settings, choose Payment Methods. This will take you to the section where you can view and manage the payment methods currently connected to your account. Next, click the Add Payment Method button. This is the option you will use when you want to add a new card, PayPal account, checking account, or another supported payment type. Before entering anything, take a moment to review your billing address. If your billing information has changed, update the address first so your payment details match correctly. This can help avoid payment issues later, especially for renewals or automatic charges. After that, select the type of payment method you want to add. Godaddy may offer several options depending on your region and account setup. Choose the one you want to use, then carefully enter the required payment details. Be sure to check everything as you type, including the billing information and any account details connected to that payment method. Accuracy matters here because even a small mistake can prevent the method from being saved or used successfully. Once all the information is entered, click Save. After saving, your new payment method should appear in your list of available payment options. This confirms that it has been added to your account and is ready to use for future purchases, renewals, or other billing activity within Godaddy. If you are updating your payment setup for subscriptions or auto-renew products, it is a good idea to review your saved methods afterward and make sure the correct option is available in your account. That way, your services can continue without interruption. That covers everything you need to know.